Oh boy, let's do this. So today I have my Lego t-shirt. Why? Because I'm gonna show you my Lego stash of old boxed Lego sets from basically my year, so early 90s, late 80s. So if you have been playing, if you were lucky enough to play with Lego back then, might remember you something. So we're gonna review all the box. So this one is a really nice little fighter. It's really Lego classic space. So you can see the old-fashioned Lego character, like Benny actually in the Legos movies. So yeah, it's really a nice box. I don't have a lot of really classic space, more from following era. So this one is just Lego M-Tron. I don't have a lot of M-Tron. It's really early 90s, and as you can see, it's really cheesy with all the glowing neon yellow transparent parts. So it's really neat. Okay, so this one is really one of my favorites. I really love the design, and they did a remake of this with the Blacktron 2 actually, and it's really the design is really fantastic. I mean, just a tip: when you are designing a ship, it's all about the silhouette, and with the body like that and the two little capsule on the side, it makes for a really neat set. And I'm totally building that in Skywonder at one point. Okay, so let's move on to, okay, so just a few small ones, a little buggy. One day we'll be able to build that in the game, and a very, very small Space Police 2 space scooter. Now onto one of my favorites. So this one is one of the early Futuron sets. So this is a base, and actually, if you remember the picture on the Inger post, this is the set that was built with my little brother back then. And if you look, actually, it was for my 4-year birthday, but it's starting at 7. So I'm thankful for my parents to not respecting the instruction basically. Okay, so we have also that one that is really cool. And by the way, this is not absolutely not the Lego I had as a kid. This is something stupid. I buy that, all of that, with my first salary when I started to work. So yeah, I guess everybody buys something stupid when I start gaining some money. So this one is really neat. So it's a really classic space, and this is actually so thanks for my sister for doing all the close-up shot and so on. So this one is contain electric piece. So there is some light, you can change the color, so it's really neat. And as you can see, also the parts are a bit yellowed, which is quite standard for Lego, of course. And but the pieces are in quite good quality. When I look at my own piece, there is a teeth dent absolutely everywhere. So this one are much better. And so we are coming to Space Police 1. Also very neat. So all the Space Police have that very long cockpit, and also the nice prison box, which is also very cool. So a nice little buggy. Another light and sound from the classic space era. So they look a bit like the white theme, like the Futuron, but they are a bit they are from the previous era. So this one is also really cool. And now we are coming to the big one, which is really one of my favorite sets from one of my favorite themes. So Ice Planet 2002. So this is called the Deep Freeze Defender, I think. And this is really such a lovely set. So the theme is also really cheesy with all the the neon orange parts. And but I really love that one. It's quite modular, so as you can see, there is all the little fighter can separate, and there is some kind of missile going on also. So it's really really a cool Lego set. And this one also I had as a kid, and it was really great to build back then. And yeah, all my Lego were built basically for 1 or 2 days, and after just destroyed, and to do something custom. And this is another Futuron. No, this is classic space actually. When you look at the character, Benny-like character. So this one is a nice base Okay, so the box is a bit weird and it's leaking some piece, unfortunately, but that's the concept. Okay, so it's a nightmare. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a few more and we'll just get it. Thanks. Well, so I am on the attic right now just to show you the last two pieces of the collection. So this one is a Lego Blacktron base, and I had this as a kid and it was really a massive Lego to build with a lot of action. And so there is a T-Rex from Jurassic Park also. And yeah, so, and this one is the big one, so it's the monorail Unitron. It was not the best one. The best one is the first, the future one, but it's really neat, and I can tell you that one day I will put a monorail building into the game, and I'm gonna be very happy to code that. And also a few more recent Lego Star Wars, and even some Apollo plastic kit, because I'm also a space and space exploration nerd basically. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next one.